Hi guys, welcome back to a vlog. I'm on my way to get my toes done right now, so I thought I would start this. We're gonna do like a little Miami prep vlog. I leave for Miami on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so I leave in like 2 days. I've already pretty much got everything together for me and the girls. Javon's gonna bring Rain on Thursday, so him and Rain are gonna come the day after me and Remy get there. And yeah, we're going for a week. It's Javon and I's 4th anniversary, my birthday, and I have a pop-up shop in Fort Lauderdale on the 29th. So I'm really excited for our trip. And yeah, I'm about to get my toes done, so I thought it would be a good time to start the vlog. So let's go get our toes done. Okay, if you've seen my videos, you know I love to use these little packing cubes. They just keep everything so organized and just make it so much easier when I'm like thinking about what I need to bring. So I'm gonna go ahead, I pretty much have everything put together. I'm gonna just go ahead and put my stuff in one of these, the girls' stuff in another, and then throw our toiletries in here, and then I'm pretty much ready. And I'm excited, so let's get this stuff packed up.